Welcome to ChatGPT Made Me Do It, where artificial intelligence gently bullies you into getting your life together, one shelf at a time.
This was a shelf having an identity crisis. Vitamins mingling with matcha. A mug loitering like it's waiting for a bus. No judgment. Okay, a little judgment.
So, ChatGPT stepped in with one small command: declutter and group your stuff like a functional adult.
A tray became a spa for your matcha tools. The mug found its forever home. A sculpture stepped in to say, yes, I have taste. And that glowing lamp? It's just here for the vibes. Total money spent, 0. Total glow up, massive. The shelf now looks like it reads hardcover books and pays taxes early.
Next week, who knows what ChatGPT will make me do? Probably organize a drawer. Probably feel feelings. Stay tuned.